So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. All right, so the next one is how to make 1,200 bucks doing DoorDash in a week, only 26 hours. That's a pretty part-time job. Yeah. That's making over what, 60 grand a year? Just part-time?
Yeah.
$1,000 a week, yeah, times 52. That's...
Wait, I literally know that guy.
You know this guy?
Yeah.
Who is that?
I don't know him personally.
You follow him on TikTok? Amazing Heart? Are you friends with him?
And Amazing 911 Dasher.
26 hours. He made 1,200 bucks.
How much is that an hour?
26.
So 1261 divided.
He said, I'm trying something new out. It's my first time doing this.
That's almost $50 an hour.
So he just tried this out like randomly.
Oh, wow.
He got $500 in tips?
Yeah, everyone loves him.
Wait.
He's a cool guy.
He literally almost made more in tips than in normal pay.
He did 103 deliveries.
So that means he averaged $5 tips every single delivery. That's like crazy.
Yeah.
Why do people like him so much?
I should do DoorDash.
Wait, why are people tipping this guy so much?
Well, you should watch his TikTok. He's a cool guy.
I mean, he just started.
Yeah.
So it's not like he's been like...
I'm a DoorDasher, and I can't go back to a W-2 job. 26 hours I worked active time, and I make $1,200. This is kind of like on average for me. You know, I'm a top dasher in the...
How is this average if he just started? I don't know, but for any case, people really like him. He doesn't seem like any... I mean, maybe that's just normal on DoorDash. People just leave a lot of tips.
I mean, he's pretty fine.
Oh, really? You think he's good looking?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't see it, but I'm also not a girl, so.
I'm going to do DoorDash, actually. I'm going to try it out.
Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.